Hello everyone, I'm Prinaka Kashyap of the Reality Public School and I've secured 93.2% in my class 12 boards. I got 100 out of 100 in biology for a few exams now, which include ISER aptitude test and the NEET exam for medical science. My interest is in pure science and research, but I'm excited to see where each of these paths will take me in the future.
What's your name?
Prinaka Kashyap.
And from?
I'm from Kokrajhar.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Adrija Kaur, and I got 93.6 percentage in my class 12 board exam. I am a student of Reality Public School, graduated in the year 2026. As I have been studying in reality from class 11 and 12, and I gave my board exam from here. Previously, I was in Don Bosco Public. I would like to pursue a BTech, most probably from NIT Silchar. I would like to thank my parents for supporting me throughout, uh, from class all the way from class 9 to class 12. And also, I'm very grateful for my school from beginning from my principal ma'am, vice principal sir, and all my teachers for supporting me throughout my studies. I have been preparing for my JEE exam from class 9 onwards. I have fully dedicated myself from class 9 in foundation courses and 11 12 in my JEE coaching. I have also studied I have also studied for CBSE exam for the last 2 3 months. To all my juniors, I would like to suggest you to focus on your studies and dedicate yourself uh, right from class 9. Because if you start early, you will be able to perform better.
From which class?
Is in West Bengal, but I've been staying in Kokrajhar from when I was in class 4.